So let's go to Walmart because I need to buy some fabrics for my face mask. And it's just 9 o'clock in the morning. Is it 9 o'clock? No, yeah, 9 o'clock in the morning. Sa ilalim kasi bago.
For $11. What do you think?
Sure.
Fun like that.
And gagawa tayo ng California rolls, baby. Nating California rolls. Nating dalawa.
They don't know.
I need avocado.
Okay.
There's a tea right there. You wanna grab some tea first? Yeah, water.
Just get four.
Oh, this is gonna be good. We need milk. Did I write down milk?
No, it's over there. Why would you get that?
Oh yeah. I get this from the back.
10 days fresher than that.
Ow! Milk. Okay. So I need bleach. Saan ko makakita ng bleach dito tayo? Okay, I need bleach. Do you like we like Clorox, right? Yeah. They don't have big size of Clorox. Let's get the pink one. Yeah, that's fine. Let's get dog food. Hand dog food. I need your height.
Chicken and venison. You know, venison is deer, right?
Really?
Yeah. It's deer. Venison.
Why can't we just like shoot the deer?
I'm not shooting any deer. Your ass.
Okay, I'm just going to my fabric. So mga friendship, bili tayo ng fabric para sa ating mahiwagang face mask. So wala siyang masyadong ano. Oh, I need this. Ay, paliit na siya ng paliit. Ba't ganun? This one. Ah, ito pala. Fabric. And so but I don't mind a red dot for Christmas. Get this Italian breadcrumbs. Yes, I do. Do we like this? It's small.
What is it?
The breadcrumbs.
Why get the small one? Get the
There's
big
no
one.
big one.
These are big ones.
Like this brand?
It doesn't matter.
You always said do not get an off brand. Ah, just good day. Breadcrumbs. Did you change my oil?
Look there. What you got? Here.
Yeah.
Come here.
Extra.
It's for salads and marinades, which means it's not good for frying. We do frying. See, like this grapeseed oil, it's for frying. And so is
It's at the bottom, right here.
where's the avocado oil?
This is avocado
Here's
oil.
How much expensive it is?
$14.
Okay, but that's fine. I think it's better. It's all the same product review. Packed in USA, product is Mexico. This is California. 50% avocado, 50% olive oil. So that's a mix.
So what about this?
This is 100% avocado, and it's cheaper.
Okay.
Or the same oil. Yeah, right.
But I get Cresco pure canola too. Leave me alone. Okay. Let's get some dry barbecue. And ooh, I need coconut oil, coconut milk. Oh my god, everything here is dented. Look at that. Okay, coconut milk. You found it?
I just had it in my hand now. It's just
Right here.
Hey, you wanna make sweet?
like
How about
the...
cranberry? You can add cranberries to it. Or do a mix.
Sure. They don't have the one that we like. Sure. Oh, this one. I want this. For my birthday. So which one? Great value?
Oh shit, I'm looking for it. You already got it.
A1. I think great value is good, right? I like
Yeah,
it.
it's not bad. It's how much? It's a lot cheaper. That's for
Yeah,
sure.
$1.23.
Who makes it? Steak sauce is steak sauce. Put a little Worcestershire sauce with it and sauce. Either way. Alright.
Do we need mayonnaise?
No, I bought it. I don't even. They only have one. Just go get your avocado.
That's
You
right
wanna try
there.
this?
Yeah.
Sugar-free soaked up the
Yeah.
You know, milk.
Creamer and coffee. Ooh, my avocado. My avocado. And let me get one cucumber.
Nice broccoli.
I'm done with mine.
I'm done cleaning up. Okay, just review. Bleach, aluminum foil we did not get.
We need, it's really important.